Hey guys, it is time for me to deal with this thing. I know what I said in the previous video, I haven't forgot, but when I repaired the bigger jack, I didn't have the time to deal with this one, and honestly I was still on a crossroads with what to do with this thing, but since then has passed quite a bit of time and I still haven't done anything to it. It is sitting like it was, but now I need this thing to work because it doesn't matter. I just need it, and before I make my final decision, I'm gonna finally start dealing with this thing and try to repair it. So I'm gonna finish what I've started in my previous video. Hopefully it is gonna work. So yeah, let's get busy.